Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to change avatar in Snapchat 2022. To start, open your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Once you are here, tap on your profile photo on the upper left. Once you are here, you will now tap on your default profile, the one with the code. That's one. And then here, swipe the window up and then go to Change Selfie. After tapping Change Selfie, you can now choose a new one, whatever you like. Once you're satisfied, click on Done. Once you click on Done, you will see it will now be updated. And that's it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.